Oh yeah, I'm not sure of what is happening. I think hey, where is my other phone? Hmm. Should I confirm on my YouTube if this broadcast is happening? Let me check on YouTube. I'm not sure. This one is not. So I search Chris Mulwa. Chris Mulwa Forex. Watu wa TikTok I know nimewaeka sana, but you'll bear with me. Please, if you come there, you can tap the screen. You can share my live, so that we can this video can reach a good number. I'm targeting the number. At least people will benefit from it, and you can make good money using this. So I'm looking at Chris Mulwa Forex. Let me see whether Chris is live now. Oh yeah. Chris is live. Screen, you can share my live, so that we can this video can reach a good number. I'm targeting the number. At least people will benefit from it, and you can make YouTube. If you want to see my screen, kindly go to YouTube. You will see my screen. Okay, so I will go to the Deriv, and we start. So as you can see, this time I bought let me maximize this. I placed a buy on Boom. This was yesterday. In fact, it went against me. Most of the time when I'm placing the trade, I go to the 1 minute time frame for the boom, so that I can see the spikes. Now I wanted us to check how we can trade boom and crash, or boom, using the trend lines or the failure swing strategy. Okay, so there is something who is sending me messages on TikTok. Please listen to this lesson. It's very important. So we have this chart. Let me first make this chart look better. We have the common candlesticks. That is okay. Chart shift, yeah, we are maintaining that. Let us go to the colors. I want to make these colors look better. No, I don't want to see the grid. Show the grid. Where is it? Auto scroll. Show. You have show sticker, show price bid. That is okay. Show the grid. I remove the grid. I remove the volumes. Trade levels. Go to the colors. Bar down. I will put red. Yeah. Bar up, I'll leave it as lime. Bull, I'll leave it as down. Bear, red, lime green. This is very okay. Then go. This is. This is a very much okay. trying to go to the view toolbar. That is very okay. It's okay. New order. I'm trying to check the Doom. Is the Doom tools. Insert expert indicators file. It should be to the view. Anyway, no problem with that. I'll use the manual. So I'm trying to the empty for people who do not trade using the using the MT5. We really have problems. Really a problem. Not now. What is that? We really have problems. You see, I had placed my trade here. I'm trying to do trade using. I'm not that good at. This is a boom 300. So I can go to the boom 500. I go to the view. Go to the market watch. No, view, market watch. Go to the symbols. Let me use these. Yes, the one without trade. My trade is running on the boom 300. Let us check this 500. Well, people, where is the zoom in, zoom out chart? Yeah. Object list, trading cell, zoom plus. Why is it this one is not in my chart? This is what I am looking at. This is what these by the way, the boom, they followed something we used to call a Renko bars. I'm not sure whether still we have the Renko bars in forex trading, but I think people use them. I used to trade when I was new. I used to use the Renko bars. Do not want it to be these. Hey guys, the MT5 people, what's wrong with my chart? I cannot. I really make good use of. I am that guy who makes good use of the zoom. So if it is not on my chart, makes my life hard, and it is very difficult for me to navigate. and should be on the toolbars. Zote they are ticked. So there is nothing here. There is missing. Or are there? Line what time frames ziko? Navigator. Okay, I will work with whatever that I have. I will still use this because now there is nothing that I can do. I will play around with the time frames. Now this is the boom 500 in the boom 500 index. Yes, and I want to show you how to trade this without checking on the spikes that much. The spikes is part of the short term movement of the market. But if you want to capture this, look at the market at the as whole. Don't focus more on the spikes. So I will adjust this a little. I'm not sure how it looks like. We are not in a hurry, so yeah, we are not in a hurry. Yes, we are going back to this. How to trade this boom and the crash. How to trade boom and crash. Yeah, we are using the failure swing. Failure swing, most of the time, this is when we use the trend line to see how failure swing, uh, the traders failed. When we call a swing is a trade, is a trade. You see, a swing is a trade. Then this is what we call. Sometimes you hear something like testing and the retesting. So we have to check on this. This is testing and retesting. The TikTok people might be wondering what I am doing, guys. I'm live on YouTube. If you want to check my screen, the screen that I am recording here, you can you can check on my YouTube channel. It's Chris, so you can consider that. Yep, testing and retesting. That is what I am checking here. I have drawn the trend line, another trend line, in this case. I will be very brief. I will not take much of your time. Okay. Now, at this point, you see, at this point, me use which arrow? At this point, this is where the swing failed. You see, after the input at that point, So if we come, we insert objects. So if I am to check this, disable background. Anyway, no need. I put something like this. Okay, this is where the market, the swing failed. You see, at that point, this was the low, but it came and beat and broke this low. It dropped. So the appropriate time for the sellers who go against the spikes could have considered selling at this point. You see, after this failed, there was a spike here. There was a spike here. The spike did not beat the low, so someone could have bought at this point. I always show you where to buy. So here you could have your market at this point. Okay, then you put your stop loss at that point. You see, now you could have if you could have done this, you could have made good money from the market, because you can see that the market has not yet reached here. This is where, if your account can swallow all this, because from here to here is around it's around 76, 276. Let me see. Yeah, it is around 17 to 16 pips. Let me assume that. Yep. So that market has really moved. It moved from is around 75.44. Then went up to here. This is around 73.90. So this is a huge movement based on the traded volume and the leverage of the boom 500. I'm like drying up. I do not know how. It's morning. So that is exactly what failure swing is. You check when the trend line rules is not obeyed. When we have the bullish trend lines, this is where we have the high highs and the high lows. What we mean is that these, if you check this one, it's lower Then the subsequent one, which is maybe this one, we use the main ones, and the subsequent one is again higher, so it's making higher lows and higher highs. If you check this one, and the market will always obey this. You know, the problem with people is to complicate. Even the derived, these are derived, and you can apply the same things that we apply in forex. As you know that I'm not a trader of the derived that much. I do not trade derivatives that much, but you can still use the forex rules and currency rules to trade this. Okay. So yeah, sure. So that is how you trade the failures. You can see the swing has failed at this point. Make it simple. Currently, I do not complicate my market. I make my market simple and clear. Yeah, I do not use a lot of tools in this. In fact, for me, I do not use MT5. I think I don't know. I don't know why. I use it on Deriv only. Even other brokers that have embraced, that have discontinued the use of MT4. For me, I prefer MT4. And but MT5, I don't know, find it somewhat complicated. And again, I'm not a developer. I'm also a developer, so I do not develop from the scratch the bot, the EA, that is the expert advisor for MT5. I do it for the MT4. Yeah. So for the MT4, we do it. We have been online for so long. Now I want to show you how to trade these on current market. I do not like using history or that much because you might not understand what market was doing. I'm using 5 minutes because this is a boom. This is a boom, and the boom can boom. You understand this? The spike can destroy you. Sorry, mercilessly. Okay, it's something. You will learn something. You need to stay around. You will learn something that will change your life, and something that you can make you can make a living with, and you can attain, we call it financial freedom with it. Okay. Yup. So I'm checking on I'm on YouTube, and still doing the thing. You can invite your friends, for those who are in TikTok, so that we can have numbers as we move to the next strategy. This is the next strategy that we are using, that we are introducing. Any question about whatever that we have covered now? I need a question. It's very clear. If you look at the chart, it's very clear. I've said that this is where we sell this market. We place our position at this point. This is where we This is where we place our sell. This is where we sell. Okay, that is where we sell. So our sell is at this point. So our sell is there. Any question regarding that? Okay. I'll do a few invitations here. I invite few people that are willing to join the live. Okay. Singizi or it's I want to show you this something, then I can go bite something. Now, after placing this, when will you know that it's time to close your market? Because after placing this trade, where will you place? I have shown you that this is the stop loss. Let me show you. This is the stop loss. Forex is simple, man. Forex is simple. You do not need to. Is it stop loss? SL is at that point. SL. What's up? So this is SL. SL is at that point. Let me show you. There. That is where we have our stop loss. Then I'm moving very slow because I want you to relax. I do not want you to trade using with a lot of pressure. I want you to relax. Keep relaxed. Enjoy trading. Enjoy forex. Enjoy trading and make everything interesting. There is no need of pressure. No. That is not what we are up to. Now I wanted to show you where to place your take profit. Do not target that much. Just where the swing began, you can place your stop loss there. Yeah, that is your take profit. So this is the TP. Is it the TP? So your TP will be there. So you will target a good number of pips. That's a good number of pips. It will be 1%, 1.31%. You'll be having around 32 pips. What? Now I show you the last thing. Then we call it. You can use the failure swing to trade to trade the boom. I'm very slow because I do not want you to get a lot of pressure. There is those trainers who rush such that you're not understanding even what they are doing. And if you can check my other videos, they are very fast. Now in this video, I've tried to make it slow for you to understand what I am doing and what I am saying. So we move to the next one. We are checking on how to buy, how to predict this market. Most of you guys say that maybe you always say that most of the trainers use the history to predict the market, but they do not um, give you the current or what you can do in the current market, so that you can be able to trade. Because if I use the history, you will not be able to know when to make your trading decision. But if I use the current trade, you will be able to know where to place your trade and where to take action in the market, which is important. So I will use this trade. I show you when to determine that we are going up. So let me have a trade line that looks like this. This slope is sloping. So we have at times we have to clean the trend line, which again may not be appropriate, but we have to clean the trend line. We have this, then we have that, the base. Now if this market breaks this trend line, something like this, don't want to draw, oh, not this one. So it will be something like this one, and it will move up. So we are waiting for this market to behave like this. Now when the spikes hit this eye, that is, the swing will have failed and it will start making high lows and high highs, or high lows. Here the market is making low lows because this one is above this, this one is above this, or this one is below this. So that determines what we call in this case we call a down trade. So we have a down trade there. So in this case, this is an up trade. This is a up trade. You see, as simple as that. You relax to understand the market. Sikuwe na pupa sana. It does not work like that. Relax. Forex is a lifestyle. It's something that you do not have to do with a lot of pressure. That is not appropriate. Relax, calm down, trade. You see, no pressure. Wait for the market to behave like this. Now, in this case, where will you place your trade? You will place your trade at this point. Relax, let us trade. You see? Relax, let us trade. Hmm? Relax, we trade. Okay? Yup. No pressure, no a lot of things. It's matter of trading only. Okay? It's matter of making money. And that is what is important in forex market. I'm doing recording on of my screen on YouTube. You can go to my YouTube, you check Chris Mulo Forex, and that is where you will get my classes. My classes are there, and you will see what I am talking about. Now you just seeing me, but you're not seeing whatever that I am doing on this computer. So this chart is being displayed. This one, we are displaying this on that is on my YouTube channel. So you will be able to see the charts that I am doing, the charts uh, and the strategies that I'm trying to explain here. I've said that this time around we are relaxing in forex. You know, as not the way I used to give you the videos. We are relaxing. Let us take our time. Let us live in the market. We are not rushing. Okay, the platforms are there. You will watch. Don't watch a video with Ari. Relax to understand what is this person saying. Okay, what is this strategy? What this strategy has to what can this strategy help my trading goal, help my trading behavior? So this is what is important, and we are relaxing. We are not doing a lot of things in the market. We are relaxing. We are calm as we trade, as we reach our trading goals. So I do not know whether the market will reach where I was. I know that I had a trade on. Let me check my existing trade. If it has gone against me, I do not know what I. But it's not much. The lot size is very okay. It's very okay. So I put the market watch. It was boom 300. Shit. You see, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. I did not close. I could have taken the profit at this point at here. But you see my life, but I will not close it. I know few spikes will get me up because if there is something I did not tell you, I like checking my market from the daily time frame. You see, now I cannot sell at this point. Do you get me? In many cases, I cannot place my trade at this point when the people who are there. I mean, when the price is low, I cannot place a sell. When we are down there, I only target buy at that point. Okay, it's psychological. You cannot place, you cannot buy a product when um, the demand is too high. The price will be high for the product. You wait for the demand to to decrease, so the price will also decrease, and you can buy your products. Are you getting? We are relaxing. Huh? We are relaxing currently. We are doing this thing. We are understanding this thing. The market. Let's say that the USD is around 140, and you're waiting for that USD to be around 29. Will you have to buy that USD? No, you will not buy that USD. What you will do, you will wait for USD to come down to at least around 120. Then at that point, you can buy the USD. It's a life skill. Let us learn. Let us learn. Okay. So when the market is saturated, that is when you buy. Okay. The products, because the market is there is excess supply in the market and the price is low. That is now when you consider buying that currency. If the price is high, you do not have to buy that product. And it is basic. It is basic. So we come down. That's why I am saying that I cannot sell the market at this point. So I'm using all my means to identify when this market is failing, because if you can check, so I'm using the lower time frame. That's why you can see the shenanigan. But for the supply and demand in the market, most of the time I use the daily time frame, because I always say that these derivatives, these are derived. They are like computer generated. It's not like the market that is driven by the events and everything, the news. But when we come to the derivatives, synthetics, they are somehow computer generated. And as a human, to beat a computer, it's not that easy. We are relaxing, guys. So I will show you how to buy this market. Now we go to our boom. Our target was not a boom 300. So we were trading boom 500. That is what we were trading. Those who hear like this is a Greek, it's not Greek. It's real. I want you to understand these things. Okay? I'm taking you slow for you to understand these things. Live here. Take your time. Take your time. Just have 1 hour. Listen to Chris. Listen to what I am telling you. And you will really benefit from this. Stay in the market. Okay? We are live on YouTube. If you want to see my screen on YouTube, you can check Chris Mulwa Forex. That is my channel. You will see that there are Chris's, but mine has around 7K subscribers. So you will be able to see that. You will see my image. Is it my image? I do not know. No, it does not have an image. It has a red logo. Okay? Somehow, red or purple. Red or purple. I'm not sure. I'm a colorblind person. So, yes. So we are moving forward. I want to show you. Let us go back to our currency. We go back to our currency. Our currency was we go back to our currency, to the view market. Our currency, it's a boom. Oh yeah. You see this place again. Again, it is a very dangerous point to make a buy. So you have to be very careful when you are making a buy on this currency. But for us, we are here. That's why you can see that it's going down. It's going down. So we were looking on sell in this boom. Now let me tell you, Deriv, let me give you a secret now, and listen to me keenly, because we have said that we are relaxing here, we are chilling in forex. We are now chilling. We have had the lessons for years. Now it's the time to chill. Yeah, it's the time to chill and understand this market without any pressure. Any pressure. I'll be getting my time. That's why I have not been doing a lot of recordings. I will be getting my time to take you step by step on things that you should look at. Now, I always tell my students one thing, that you should never buy when the price is up there. What you should do, look for all opportunities of sell. Okay? When the market is up here, to say, let me explain to the TikTok people, because you guys, you are not watching my charts. Those who are watching my charts can tell, and they are able to see whatever that I am saying. So if you want to buy and the market is above here, it's high. To say this is the highest point in the market. When you buy, you mean that you are targeting the market to go up. It has gone up already. Okay? Now, at this point, always look for opportunities using your strategy that shows the market is going down, because it has gone up, and we say that it goes up forever until it starts going down. So don't buy when it is going up, but look for the opportunity. You can leave that currency, go to another one that is going to, that has a clear direction. You see? So if there is no a sell opportunity, leave it to go up. Okay, if you are late to enter into the market. But if it is up, always target a sell. A sell will mean that you are predicting that the market is going down. Are we together? The TikTok people, you guys. Okay, let me get to the YouTube guys, and I I I check whatever that what I was saying here. Now, what I am trying to say is that if you check this the boom at at daily time frame, the market is going down. Okay, the market is going down. The market is going down. You see, the market is going down. You see, I come to the 5 minute time frame. The